Tips and tricks for beating diabetes symptoms. Diabetes is an insulin-based condition that can often result in high blood sugar levels for those who have it. There are many things you can do to avoid diabetes if you do not already have it. The following video will provide you with tips to stay diabetes-free. Apples are so good for you if you're diabetic. They give you something sweet to beat a sugar craving, and they're high in fiber, which will help you keep your weight down. They don't provide a large blood sugar spike after eating, so they can give you a ton of energy without causing you any health problems. If you have diabetes, then your children are more susceptible to the disease themselves. Make sure that any diet changes you make are reflected by the eating habits of your children, and that you include them in the exercise you do. It's more fun to make the changes in your life if everyone has some input. There are so many resources online for diabetics, including the American Diabetes Association, so make use of all they have to offer. Many have support groups, videos, research and even links to local educators, who can help you learn even more. Take the time to know what's going on in your body and you'll live a long, healthy life. Check your cholesterol level as well as blood pressure. If you have diabetes, blood sugar is not the only thing you need to keep an eye on. Diabetes can increase the likelihood of bad cholesterol being high in your blood, so you need to keep track of that, even if you're not eating fatty fried foods. Blood pressure can also be increased, leading to headaches, faintness, and even strokes. As stated before, diabetes is an insulin-based condition that results in high blood sugar levels. Though diabetes is common, it can be prevented with the right steps. Just remember the tips from the video above and you can prevent yourself from becoming another victim of this condition. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.